got it, brother? So always go to the insert, create a geometrical set. First you have to create wireframe, or you name it as a reference. In the reference, we are going to keep a line, 3D lines, points and planes. So which we get it from here. So here toolbars are, these are called as toolbars, which I'm going to keep it now outside. So for keeping outside, what we need to do is just you have to click on this. Here you can see the bar. Just click here, and I just keep cursor on this bar, then drag and drop it outside. If I want to place it horizontally, then hold the shift button in the keyboard and just place it here horizontally. The next toolbar I need to take. So next toolbar is this. So this toolbar I want to keep it outside. I just click on this. This you can see, right?
It's
You
not
have
visible,
to
sir.
click here and keep it outside and make it here. Keep it here. Then next again I need to take this. Where we are not using this, I just delete it. Then you get this toolbar, reference toolbar, you will get it. If you keep it here, you get it. So the reference. So in the reference, if I take point, line or plane, everything comes under this geometrical set. All the references we are going to maintain here in the reference. So first I'm going to take the point here. Yeah, here you have to maintain x0, y0 and z0 and then give. Now we need to take one more geometrical set. Go to the insert, click on geometrical set and click on sketches and give OK. Now after taking that, you should go to the this toolbar, which is positioner sketch. Don't take normal and never ever use this normal sketch. Use positioner sketch. In the industry, they use position sketch. So now when you select this, it asks you first positioned. Here no selection. In the no selection, select any of the plane. So what I'm going to do is you can select this plane or this plane. So I'm going to select this plane. So next I'm going to go with the origin. So in the origin, you just click on here, then go to the projection point. So no selection. In the no selection, you have to select this point. See point I have selected. So the next third thing is that this reverse H, reverse V and swap. So always remember when you are taking this plane, you should take horizontal and vertical lines, as this is a front plane which is moving like this. Your front and back like this it will move. So in this case, your always H will come here and V should come like this. If you're selecting this plane, so horizontal is this and vertical is this. Like this, in this case, you can take this. Suppose if I'm taking this plane, so in this just draw the rectangle. Here horizontal comes here, vertical comes here. If suppose I'm taking this plane, top plane, in that case, horizontal is this line, vertical is this line, which is nothing but horizontal comes here and vertical goes like this. So let me choose this here. Now it's correct only because we are taking this plane. If I draw the rectangle on this plane, so you have to identify horizontal and vertical axis. So this is horizontal and this is vertical. So this is matching. H is here and V is here. So I have selected this plane. Then just give OK. Yeah, this is called as 2D workspace. So here you can find only two coordinates. One is horizontal axis and one is vertical axis. And if you see the global coordinates, then you can see y and z. You're not able to see the x coordinate. Because why you're not able to see the x coordinate means here x is perpendicular line, which you cannot see it. Here only you can see is y and z. This is also called as YZ plane. If you see the compass, this is YZ plane. The plane like this, YZ, and X is perpendicular to this. So X is not visible here. X is missing. And now we learned about how to enter into the 2D space. Now we have to see how to exit the 2D space. For that, we use this command, which is called as exit workbench. So the command name is exit workbench. So see here. Suppose if you click on this command, no, you can exit the 2D. So this very important. You please remember this. Okay. Suppose if I click on this, see, just place the cursor here and see the command name. See on the back side it is coming exit workbench. I click this. So we have exited the 2D workbench. Again we have entered into the 3D workbench. So this is 3D workbench. So from here also you can identify x, y and z coordinate. From here also you can identify. And one more thing is that we have a symbol for this, which is called as gear. So this indicates that we are in the 3D part design. So this workbench is known as 3D part design. From the gear symbol, always remember this gear symbol. Let me just place the cursor over here. If you place the cursor here, see part design. So which indicates 3D part design. So once again, I go back to the 2D workspace. To enter into the 2D workspace, let me show you how to enter 2D workspace. How to enter, which is called as 2D workspace or 2D workbench, or you can call it as sketcher. So just what you need to do is here, go here, you select this normal positional sketch. Click on this. Once you select the position sketch, first here, you have to select from here. No selection is there. Reference, you have to choose this plane. Then after choosing this plane, you should come to the origin. From here, projection point. Then come here and click on the projection point. Then check H, V and swap. Everything is correct. Then give enter. So now we have entered into the 2D workspace. So here this symbol is known as sketcher workbench. So just place this cursor on this. It will show you sketcher. So from this you can identify, which is very important, these symbols.